What's up people? Good morning! Welcome back to my channel, Sandeep from Asia. It looks like we have attracted some crowd here, easily. ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಜನ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಇದೇ ಒಂಥರ ಖುಷಿ. We don't know anyone, who they are, what they do, but when it comes to bikes, random ಬಂದು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಜನಗಳೇ, ಕನಕಪುರ ಆಫ್ರಿಕಾ ಅಡ್ವಿನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ it's like every weekend, almost every weekend I am here. Sometimes people ask me, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಾವನ ಮನೆನಾ? You know, there's a slang, is it your father-in-law's house? You know, this is a very unique place. Another one that I found out where you see a lot of you can spot a lot of animals apparently, right? So this is where we are headed to, and we've got one hell of a lineup today. We've got Girish, you all know, but look at his Acra. New Akrapovich HP for his GS 1200 and a doggy. Oh freaking hell. Today we have a Multistrada as well. Right, the guy ahead of me is Avin. Now this is another classic example of what biking brotherhood is, right? So I live in a pretty big apartment in Bengaluru, and after I bought the Africa Twin, after some time, of course, I realized that there is another 80 in my apartment. So my apartment has about 16 to 1700 houses. ಇದಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 80 ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. This is the guy, and I mean 80s in the apartment, so it's gonna be nice. Looking forward to that friendship. And of course, Nam Arjuna on an HE, and Mahesh on a Thunderbird, on his Thunderbird 500, who also rides a Ninja, by the way. And of course my man Sumanth, who's leading the pack today on his 80. So we got two more guys waiting up ahead of us, so no, how far they are, and what's in store would actually take you by surprise, the kind of bikes that they have and where they are and where they would go. So stay tuned. Nobody saw me, navirodu hige, nobody saw me, navirodu hige. Finally the countryside of things. It's so peaceful, it's so calm, and really a privilege that there's so much of peace so close to Bangalore. Okay, so we're hunting for breakfast places, rather a place for us to have breakfast. ತಿಂಡಿ ತಿನ್ನೋಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಗ. ನೋಡಿ, ಪುಣ್ಯವಂತರು ನಾವು. ಈ ಥರ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಧ್ಯ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ತಿಂಡಿ ತಿಂದು ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅಥವಾ ಪೇಪರ್ ಏನೇ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಏನು ಈಚೆ ಹಾಕದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಡಬ್ಬದಲ್ಲೇ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ವಾಪಸ್ ತಂದು ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಹೌ ಐ ಗೆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ, ರೈಟ್? What a massive presence. The street nakeds have finally made it to the breakfast place. ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು? just a teaser, ma. Okay, decent breakfast, and now we are on our way to the destination. ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಇವತ್ತು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಡೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ saw, oh, this is an awesome place. This is the place.